Hi friends, today we're going to talk about parametric sweep. It's a very important functionality of COMSOL that lets you input a range of parameters over which you want COMSOL to compute the model. And it's very efficient and it's very easy to do, and it saves you a lot of time in terms of doing your sensitivity analysis that you're going to do during the later part of your course. Okay, so let's go forward with it. So as you can see, we've already solved this problem. It's a heat transfer problem in a rectangular slab. We can see the results here. So what we're going to do is, right now, as we can see here, the temperature boundary condition is given to be 90 degrees centigrades or 363 kelvins. What we're going to do is, we're going to parameterize this boundary condition, and we're going to keep changing. We're going to give COMSOL a range of temperatures over which it's going to solve. So let's dive into it. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go to global definitions, right click it, and click parameters. So say for this problem we want to parameterize it using a probe temperature. So let's define our parameter name as tprobe, and then so it's very important that we need to put only either the value or an expression here. So you don't actually put anything in the value field. So if you put 70 here, the value field is going to be automatically populated as value. And these are all parameters, and COMSOL, it doesn't care what values or units they are. As you use it in your model, it's going to automatically know what unit it has. Okay, so we've defined that, and now we need to make sure we're going to use this parameter in our model. So where do we want to use it? We want to use it here to define the probe temperature, which is initially we solved it for 90 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say it's 273 plus T probe. We're going to use our parameterized variable here. Okay, so we have, you'll see now it's not exactly a value, it's an expression which you can vary using different values for the parameter, as we'll see. Okay, so now what we need to do is next is go to study, right click it, and click parametric sweep. Okay, now here all you have to do is you have to click the plus sign here, which is going to be letting you to add, and then in the T you can see already it's listed the T probe, and then it wants you to give the parameter value list. So we're going to do it, say, for 70, 100, no, 70, 90, and 110 degrees centigrades. It's important that you don't need to put any commas or something, just put a space in between and it's going to know. Okay, so that's all we need to do, and then we're going to click compute. And you can see in the green bar here shows that COMSOL is working, and it's, we can look at the convergence plot in the middle. Yeah, as we can see, it's finally converging. Okay, so right now we have our parametric solution done, and it's very important to know that COMSOL saves this new solution in a different data set. So as you can see in the data set here, if you click it and expand, it has study 1 cut point 2D from the previous analysis, and here we have the study 1 parametric solution under solution 2. Okay, so when we're going to plot this, it's important that you select the right data set. And to do that, we already have a 1D plot graph, okay? And the data set selected is cut point 2D1. So we need to make sure cut point 2D1 has the right data set from which it's getting its solution. Right now it's solution 1, but we're going to click that to parametric solution and click plot. So this plot shows us where the point is, but if you go back to the point graph 1, you see it's giving you 3 different plots of 3 different temperatures. Now if you go to the plot and you want to add the legends, you click show legends, and it's going to show you the temperature, the color code for the temperature. And to change the location of this, it's sort of like blocking the graph. So you want to click 1D plot group 3, and then you go down legends, and the position, you can say you want to select, say, middle, lower, upper left, so that there's no value. And there it is. That's all. Parametric sweep. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned from it. Thank you.